Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Samantha. Today I have an awesome recipe for you guys. We're going to be making a mango coconut cake. I'm going to be using our vanilla Madagascar bourbon extract and mango extract in the cake base, and then the coconut cream for our cream cheese frosting. The first thing I'm going to be doing is creaming together our butter and sugar. We're just going to be mixing these together on the medium setting. Now that our butter and sugar is completely combined, we are going to add in the eggs one at a time. Now I'm going to add in my sour cream and my vanilla and mango extract. This recipe is perfect for summertime, great for by the pool, a barbecue, anything summer. This is my favorite vanilla flavor. It is so well-rounded and it goes perfectly in this cake. Now we're going to add the mango. These extracts are very concentrated, so you don't need too much of them, and they will not bake out because there is no alcohol. Now we're just going to mix this all together until completely combined. Now we're going to mix together our dry ingredients and add them to the mix. So I have my flour, and I'm adding my baking powder and my salt. Now you're just going to whisk these together and combine them. Now we're going to combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Start it off slow so you don't make a mess. Now that all of your ingredients are combined, we are going to gently fold in our diced mango. You can use canned mango, you can use fresh mango, whatever you have on hand. You can smell both the vanilla and the mango. It incorporates perfectly. So now we just have to pour it into our greased baking pan. So now we're just going to stick this in the oven for about 50 minutes. I'll see you then. So we have taken our cake out of the oven and allowed it to cool. So now I'm going to make the coconut cream frosting using the coconut cream extract. The first thing I'm going to do is mix together our cream cheese and butter. I like to use cold cream cheese because it helps the frosting stay more stable than if it were warm. And I like to mix together about half of the butter with the whole thing of cream cheese first and then go in with the other half. I'm going to be using a hand mixer for this because it gives me a little bit more control to get those clumps out, but you can use a stand mixer or whatever you have available. Now I'm going to add the other half of the butter and then mix together until completely combined. Now I'm going to add in the powdered sugar and our coconut cream extract. So I'm going to be using 3/4 of a teaspoon of our coconut cream extract. It smells so good. Now we'll just mix that together with our hand mixer until completely combined. So I'm going to be using our offset spatula to frost the cake and then adding some toasted coconut on top. So we just scoop all of it on. It's a loaf cake, so it's meant to look rustic, not perfect. And you're going to be topping it with toasted coconut, so any mistakes you made will be covered by that. So now that we have our cake frosted, I'm going to be adding our toasted coconut. Now just add a generous amount all over the top of your cake. So our cake is now done, and let's give it a try. That is so delicious. It is the perfect combination of coconut and mango, perfect for any summer get-together. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. If you do, let us know in the comment section. We'd love to hear. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe, tips and tricks, or testimonials from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time!